Okay, family, welcome back to our channel. Y'all already see by that title and that thumbnail, y'all. I'm gonna be messing with your boy, y'all. Know 2K26 then came out, and 2K26 has been stealing my man whole attention. But yeah, I'm gonna just be annoying him while he on this game, y'all, and then I'm eventually unplug the TV. I know he gonna be mad, but I don't care. He ran to the store real quick. Y'all see he still got the game up or whatever. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Spam Team K in the comments down below. And make sure y'all give us some video ideas, prank ideas, whatever y'all want us to do.
Oh, Drake, get that Drake. Oh my, that's on me. I missed it while I was shy. Hey, stop!
I won't play it. I thought we've been watching movies. Why you
Shit
get
on
mad?
him, Drake. Shut up.
Why you get mad at me? Huh? I'm talking about eating. Bro, what did I tell you about this game? Huh? You be lying, bro. You don't never give me no attention. Like the game get all the attention. You just covered your ears up. Huh? Oh. I'm gonna go. I don't get no attention here.
Game it. Oh, shit.
Can you put your mic in here?
Sorry for trapping. Oh, damn, I didn't know they needed 2 more points.
Look like you lost.
Shut up.
Can you put your mic on here?
No.
There. I thought you said we were gonna watch a movie. Why you don't never give me no attention? Like, ever since this 2K came out, you be on 24 hours. You come to bed at 4 o'clock in the morning. Like, I'm tired of it.
Come on, ain't nobody playing them. Come on, y'all, go back around.
You don't hear me talking to you?
Come on, today. Where you going? That's on you. Grab that head and maybe the ball hit you or something. Fuck you going?
My phone. Don't worry about where I'm going. You all in that game?
Where y'all going?
To my mama's house.
Good. I can play game to beat.
Well, I will break your game.
Yeah, my bad, bro. Good shot, Drake. Did it, though.
I will literally break your game. Keep playing.
He don't want to guard no more. Shoot over him. We get up about a little more boy though.
Can we talk, please, before I leave?
What?
Can we talk before I leave?
Where you gonna go?
Oh, I'm out.
Why?
But all you do is be on the study game. That's all you do.
Lay.
I've been putting out.
Take it, leave it. Fork out my face.
You're not even showing me no attention. Like, this is all you do.
I'm showing you something, man.
Ever since this
I'm
game,
showing you something, man.
ever since this game came out, this is all you do.
Stop lying.
I'm not lying. This is all you do, and then you want to be on it all night and don't come to bed till like 4 o'clock in the morning.
Stop lying.
Bitch. What I got lie about? What I got lie about? Now either you get off this game or I'm gonna throw your game off the belt.
What? Good on touch my hand.
Alright.
Alright.
That true not playing.
I ain't playing. Touch my game. Touch my game.
I will. Alright.
I'm winning, man.
Don't get off this game, man. I swear. I sure hate you when they better win without you.
KK, you touch the game while I'm winning, boy. Okay. It's gonna be hell on earth. No, for real, boy.
Dedrick. Keep playing. Can you get off of it then?
No.
And make our own touch your game. Can you give me a cash and some attention?
I give y'all something.
No, you don't.
All morning.
No, you don't. I'll what more? We'll be at work.
All evening.
I'll let you be on game. Why do you noodles got vegetables?
Come on, try to get it.
No, no. Dedrick, 1 second of attention. This is not the attention that I want. Move.
You better take it on eat, man.
That's not what I want. Move, Dedrick. Move.
You said I'm giving you attention. I'm giving you
No,
attention.
you're not.
I just did.
Give me the headphones. Take the headphones
No.
off. Back.
Good, down. One, KK. Okay? Chill out. I just gave you some attention.
No, you did. Take the headphones off.
No.
Take them off because they can make me talk to you.
No, I'm in the game. I'm in the game. I'm in the game.
Yeah.
Boy, you better back the fuck up.
Take the headphones off. Take the headphones off. It's one cord.
Hey, stop.
It's one cord. This one cord, Dick. I'm not playing. Take the headphones off. Oh, you want me to pull another one?
Stop. You in my way. Go sit the fuck down.
Oh, you just. Oh, you just fucked up for real. You just fucked up for real. It's definitely over with.
KK, move. Shit, man.
This game is not this serious.
It ain't, but get the fuck out of my way while I'm on it.
Who are you talking to?
Look at that defense. Look at that defense. You get out of my way, it's gonna be even better. Fuck out my motherfucking way. Stop,
Jack
stop,
me
stop.
Jack me up.
Stop. I ain't none of these little hoes be like you. It's my hair problem, my hair problem.
I don't care.
Get it.
Blink, nigga. Dang. Dick.
fucking.
You gonna see what's gonna happen. I'm one core down. How many more to go?
Nobody.
How many more to go? Oh, you got how much screws back there?
Yeah, you damn right I do. You better not touch that one on.
I would.
Better not touch that one on. 3 ball on your motherfucker.
What you gonna do?
Show your monkey.
What you gonna do if I touch you?
Show your monkey.
What you gonna do if I
That's why
touch
they, give it.
And stop opening my room.
I want to see what's in it.
Bitch.
Alright, get back.
I'm gonna get back to this game though. And when this game over, if you don't get off this game.
Okay, and you better get your little ass back. This nigga sucks so bad. I'm talking about yeah.
This game show make you happy. This game show make you happy.
Because it's the only thing that don't get on my nerves sometimes.
Well, you ain't gonna have no more.
Hey, stop!
Wait! I'm
Okay.
ready to go.
Shit. Damn.
I see what's more important. I'm so sick of you.
Go take some coffee, sir. Have this some night food. Take your ass. See? Fuck on my face. See, I just fucking lost.
Move.
Let me get the
I don't
fuck
care.
on my motherfucking
I don't
face.
care that you lost.
Fuck out my motherfucking face. You hear me? You hear me? Leave the fuck alone. You hear me? You hear me?
Nick, please. Can we watch a movie?
Please, just leave me the fuck alone.
You know, watch a movie.
The fuck alone.
Nick. What's your record?
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
No.
Don't you worry about it.
Can you play too fucking much? That shit ain't fucking funny. I just told you don't do your green ass. That's the
Well,
whole fucking game that ain't the TV.